Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to fix error establishing a database connection in WordPress. So I personally use WordPress as well, and this type of troubleshooting and error messages are often now then seen. So now before we begin, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, since we are regularly uploading solutions for various type of softwares, games, and quite pretty much everything. So let's just hop on to the tutorial and fix the establishing a database connection in WordPress. So you can see I have an official guide in here with screenshots that is going to be helping you guys out. So what you need to do is, as you can see in here, alright, so let's just scroll a little bit down and you will be able to see basically, first of all, we are going to be needing to get our information right, and it should be highlighting your database name, as you can see in here, your username and password, and basically that is going to be using to bridge your platform that you are creating with along your database and your database server, of course. So you can see this is the type of error message that is oftenly showing up, and we need to simply fix that up. And how actually you can do it: first of all, you need to check your WordPress database credentials. Now there could be a fat amount of chances that you could be forgetting your password, your credentials, or you are maybe typing it wrong, maybe your password. Make sure that your cap locks is disabled if you're entering your password. Sometime that could be causing some issues as well. And make sure to move your WordPress site to a new host. Try that out if that seems to be working for you guys out. So that is something. And you can see basically we have this PHP file for configuration as well that you can copy as well. So make sure to give try to this. After that, you can see you can head over to your websites, database, manage, and you can head over to this section, scroll down to databases section and click on manage button next to it. This will now open your SQL database page, and in the C panel you need to configure your current databases, and you can also delete it or reset the privileged users, and try that out with different settings. And yeah, so finally you can check your database host information. So wherever it is being hosted, make sure that everything is correct on that place and repair your WordPress database if nothing seems to be working out. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope it is going to be helping you guys out. Consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done that already. Stay tuned for more, and see you guys in the next video.